What is up, guys? Central Texas EAS here. Today we're going to be doing a little something different, and I just hope everybody had a good Christmas, and I hope you all are going to have a happy New Year as well. So today we're going to be taking a look at something that I have not seen on YouTube yet, and it's totally something different. We're going to be taking a look at this American Lawnmower Company reel mower, and this thing looks like an antique lawnmower or a vintage lawnmower from like the 1950s. And this year's the Great States one that I bought about 5 years ago. I just sharpened it today. So we're going to be giving this one a look at. We're really going to try it out for the first time, and you guys are going to be a witness to that. So without further ado, let's just go ahead with this review so far. And we're going to be reviewing this thing together so you can get my honest opinion of it. And I will put the model number down in the description here. So first off the bat, this lawnmower definitely has more of a sturdier vibe to it. This handle here is actually wood. That's a wood handle. It's just like the old-fashioned reel mowers that you would see back in the day. And these are really solid metal handle pieces here. The base is pretty much very similar to this one here, but the handle on this one definitely feels a lot more stouter than, let's say, this one here. And I'm not gonna lie, this one so far actually feels a little bit more comfortable than this one is. And so on the sides here, it's got actual metal hubcaps, which is really cool, whereas this one has plastic. Still very nice mower, this one is too. And so I've not tried this one yet, so we're going to see how it'll compare to this one that I've been using for the past 5 years. So again, metal hubcaps. This one has like a little bar piece. This one has like a little, looks like a deflector, as you can see, American Lawnmower. And this one has a wooden roller. Yeah, check it out, wooden roller. Whereas this one has a plastic roller. And first impressions of the plastic one, because I know these are kind of don't have enough, sometimes they don't have enough weight on the back of these things, so it'll kind of want to lift up. Or this one here, it'll feels like it's got more weight in the back. So you can see if you roll it back, it'll spin backwards. You pull it forward, it'll make the blade spin. These blades are kind of stiff. I mean, I guess it's because it's brand new. Whereas this one, definitely a bit more. It's kind of squeaky because I just used it earlier, and I need to put the WD-40 back on the blades. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try this lawnmower out for the first time. Let's see how it is. First impressions, wow. This thing is definitely stouter. That is for sure. Man, it cuts really good too. Wow. It's definitely heavier too. It's not too bad. Just kind of over exaggerating a little bit. Now it's starting to free up. Wow, this thing cuts really well. Oh my gosh. So far, this one feels a little harder to push than the other one. Then again, this thing is brand new. The first time using it. Wow. This thing is awesome. I like it. I'm guessing that these will probably free right up. Look at that. That thing cuts really good. That is really cool. So let's try this one here, just to give it like a little comparison. Let's see how they cut. This one is definitely a lot easier, but then again, this one's been used a lot more. They cut the same. Taller stuff here. Definitely both cut very well. All right, see if I can find you guys a place where I can prop you up. We'll do some more mowing with this one. Okay guys, this here is probably the best angle that I can get for you. So just kind of bear with me here. So you can see grass is kind of cut over here. So maybe if I point it down, maybe I get a little bit better angle. So we're gonna try the American here. Starting to free up a little bit. This thing actually feels like an old-fashioned lawnmower. These new ones are, it just feels cool. I love the wood handle. Cut really well. Yeah, I really like this thing. Let's give it a couple more passes. You can really see it cuts really well. Kind of damp and kind of helps it out when it's a little damp. You just don't want it wet. But also this grass is kind of thick too. So we'll go one more pass here. We'll wrap it up. Wow, this thing really does cut really nice. So, again, I'm pretty sure that this will free up the more that I use it. Okay, as you can see the cut here, the grass was kind of thick. So really not bad at all. This thing cuts really nice. I really do like it. Real smooth. It leaves behind these. So I might get a grass catcher attachment for it. So yeah, and it rolls back, freewheels when you roll back. So again, it is kind of stiff when you first get it, but I'm pretty sure, I've probably said this a million times in this video, that it probably will free up. And then here's the reel, metal, and of course the roller bar. Really good solid wood. I probably will, once a year, probably take this off and seal it. Sometimes some water seal. You know, it's just in case. I wonder if it'll absorb water. So we'll find that out. If not, I'll just order a metal one. So I'm pretty sure you can get like a little upgrade that you can do to your Earthwise. But I do like the wood. Alright guys, so this is my American Lawnmower, vintage style reel mower. And yeah, I definitely would recommend giving it a try. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more content.